Here we are in North County, Indian in sunny San Marcos, California, and you are looking at the 2019 Chieftain Limited in ruby red. And it is equipped with the Thunderstroke 111 engine. Beautiful paint job. Look at this. That's ruby red. It's stunning. It has LED lighting from nose to tail. Beautiful wheels, chrome front end. It's got the new gunfighter seat. Premium audio and power windshield. There's that 111 Thunderstroke. 119 pounds of torque. It has the all-new ride modes. It's all here at North County, Indian in San Marcos.